Each level of C.I.A.O is divided into 10 units, and each unit consists of 10 lessons. The first lesson is always a video episode, accompanied by activities and exercises. The other lessons cover vocabulary, grammar, communication, reading, listening, pronunciation, and finally, a general verification quiz. If you want, you can review all the grammatical rules encountered during the unit by consulting the grammatical summary after the quiz. Moving between lessons and units is easy, thanks to the horizontal and vertical menus. The cursors on the left and right, in fact, allow you to scroll between units and within the exercises of each individual lesson. With the vertical drop-down menu, you can immediately choose the unit that interests you and move from one lesson to another. The lessons include different types of exercises with immediate feedback. If you want, you can interrupt an exercise and start again from the beginning. The system will only take into account the last result obtained. When you see the word attention, click on the bar. You will find explanations or insights, not only linguistic, but also phonetic and cultural. In some cases, the initial video episode is presented in interactive full-screen mode. Start watching, and at the right time, the video will stop to suggest the exercises to do. You can review the segment to make sure you have understood correctly, or do the exercise and continue watching. At the end, you can review the episode in its entirety and without interruptions. The access code to C.I.A.O lasts 3 months. At the end of the course, you can download the certificate and fill it in with your name. All you have to do is try C.I.A.O for yourself and start your journey into the Italian language.